Hey, 10635 here from the Robo Hospital, and here we have another Robosapien V2 finished that pretty much my girlfriend and I worked on. She's right here. Say hi. So issues with this unit: need a rewire. What you call it? Need a rewire. Side to side. Well, the tilting motor, actually, I should call it, was dead, so that had to be replaced. And the worst part of all, the board in it was dead. So what should we call it? Owner had to buy a new board, which I do have spare boards for sale in case if units die. So they did that, been cleaned up and everything, and now he's good to go.
Self-diagnostic initiated.
And this unit belongs to Joseph.
RSV2.
Dance sequence.
Understood. I hope nobody saw that.
And
Stopping.
there we have it.